Hello guys, welcome to Software Zone. Today we want to talk about basic shape in Photoshop, and without no waste of time, if you come to, let me click, find it. These are basic shapes. You under this, you right click here, and then it shows you that's a rectangle. Then you right click, you see these are rectangle. This is a rectangle tool. This is ellipse, the triangle, polygon, the line, the custom shape. So these are basic tools. Like the basic shapes that you find in Photoshop. Please do not snooze on this one. These tools are very, very important. We use them in our everyday design, like seriously in our everyday art of design. So, for instance, let's see. You click on them, you draw, you draw posts like this. Click, and you can use this particular node like this. You want to drop, make sure if you want to drop any tool, you can press V on your keyboard, drop it so that you can move it around. Come here, right click, and then see the circular part. So you can now draw a circle. You see, drop the tool, pressing V. You can see that's a cycle you have drawn there like that. So let's zoom in, as you can see. So then right click, we want to use this triangle to select it, then make the drawing. You can see that's a triangle. And then for instance, let's right click here, and then it's a polygon tool. Let's draw a polygon tool here like this. Let's drop the tool, and then let's delete this text out, for instance. Then this is the cycle, this is the triangle, this is the polygon, this is the rectangle here. And then the last but not the least, we want to draw this is the line tool. From here you can make a straight line. If you want a straight line, press shift and hold. You see how it's moving. You see, if you turn it like this here, you turn the angle, move it like this, you have successfully formed a straight line. So you can now give it any color of your choice. Look at the line. You can give it any color you want. From here, then you can now change whether you want it dash, a little dash, small dash, or so. You can fill it with a different color. Let's say black. Then remove an outline. If you say you don't want to have an outline, remove it like that. And then, or if you want it full, fine. So, but you don't have it. So the next aspect is the custom shape tool. You can select it. You can draw. This is giving us an animal kind of shape. An animal kind of shape. Let's drop the tool. And I don't know which animal is this. Can anybody guess this animal? You can see. Let's drop the tool and see what holds. Who can guess this animal like this? It's a custom shape. Who can guess it? And please, if you can guess this animal, please drop in the comment section. Who? I can't even guess. Okay, let's say it's a wolf. How can we say it's a wolf? But basically, and it's just a vector base, so it's hard to guess its structure. But by the main looking of this structure, we can say it's a wolf, or a wild lion. No, lion. Or let me say a wild lioness, for example. So these are basic shape. Let's not deviate from the class, and you'll be using them in any of your projects. And then I want to talk about another tool here, this hand tool. It helps you move your artboard like this. Helps you move your artboard. If you want to move to a certain place without not distorting, you can just click on it and move around like that. So we have now come to the conclusion of our tools, the tools we use, that is the basic tools we use